Hello my friend, you're struggling with a hunchback and you don't know if you can fix it or even what type of hunchback you have, then this is the right video for you. Why? Because me, Alex, I managed to fix my hunchback to a degree where I feel very comfortable in my skin. So, the first step is to realize that you have a hunchback. The second step is to go to an orthopedic doctor who will give you a diagnosis about the type of hunchback you have. Is it a Scheuermann syndrome? Is it because of lack of exercise and because of a bad postural habit? Or is it because of some illness? When you know you diagnose, you can go to step 3, the therapy. So how do you treat it? There are different varieties of treating your hunchback. It can be operation, it can be physical exercise, mobility exercise, and in addition wearing a corset to straighten your posture. So when you know your treatments, you can apply them and then fix your hunchback, reaching the goal of a straight back, fitness and confidence. This is all the way. You may ask, Alex, how did you fix your hunchback? My diagnosis was hunchback because of bad posture and lack of exercise. So I started going 3 times a week to the gym, exercising my upper body mainly, doing stretching, mobilization exercises. So that I managed, after 4 years of consistency, to fix my hunchback to a degree where I feel very comfortable. I get a lot of muscle, I get a lot of endurance, I got a lot of self-confidence because I changed my looks. I changed my powers. I can do 8 pull-ups. Before that, I couldn't do any one, not even one. So this journey was a blessing, and if you want to know the exact steps I took, the exact types of hunchbacks out there, then get the ebook down in the description, get all the knowledge and apply the knowledge and get to your goals. I hope I could help you from a standpoint of experience, what I did, how to solve it, and I wish you nothing but the very best on your journey fixing your hunchback. Share your journey with the world, inspire others, and also write personally to me on YouTube or Instagram. Like and subscribe. See you soon.